it up and see what's inside. Follow me. Pop-up strainer. That's what this is. This is awesome. You go ahead and put your noodles or whatever in here and strain them, and then you just pop it and it's easy to put away. I don't know who sent this to me, but this is awesome. Hit me up in the comments if you ever seen a strainer that's like this. Maybe I'll go ahead and try to cook something with it. It seems really sturdy. The rubber is really a hard rubber. The plastic is a very sturdy plastic. You can't bend it this way. The handle is nice and thick. And this is for a little smaller strainer. And there's no holes on the side. And look, it's nice and great. It holds the heat very well. And it drains excellent. Making some mac and cheese. Yummy, yummy. If you want to know more about this, look in my description below this video.